So you also want to download TikTok Lite on your iPhone, but you can't seem to find it on the App Store. Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. From wherever you're watching in this world, you'll be able to download TikTok Lite on your iPhone. By the way, it's gonna be 100% working and guaranteed. So make sure to watch the video till the end and hit that subscribe button. It's a very easy and simple method to do, so let's dive into it. So first of all, open your phone and now normally go to your App Store. And now go to search and search for TikTok Lite. Now here you won't be able to see TikTok Lite anywhere. You will be see all the other apps but no TikTok Lite. So now I'll show you how to download it. So as you're on your app store, go and hit on your profile and now click on your account. It will take a second to load up, and now here click on country and region. It will take some time to load up again. Now here what I want you to do is go to search and search for South Africa, as TikTok Lite is available in South Africa. Select South Africa and now hit continue and now hit agree as well. Now change your payment method to none, because if you don't, it won't go through. Now in the billing address, just write South Africa and street and leave other for the optional, or just copy what I wrote in all of the sections here. After you have wrote all of this, now click on done on the top right corner, and it will take some time to load up. And congratulations, your region has been changed, and it will refresh so you know your region is changed. Now as usual, go to search and search for TikTok Lite again. And boom, you can see TikTok Lite here. Just press on get and now download it as you do usually. Now here you just have to agree the terms and conditions of the new region. Click on OK and now click on agree on the top right corner. And boom, your TikTok Lite will start to download. And as a proof, you can go back to home and you can see TikTok Lite is being downloaded here. So let it be and it will download. I hope you guys found the video helpful and informative. If you did, make sure you drop a like and hit that subscribe button. That was it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one.